In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a permanent print area in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill, especially if you frequently generate reports or need specific information formatted consistently before printing. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process. Firstly, open the Google Sheets document where you want to set the permanent print area. Open your web browser and navigate to sheets.google.com. Once there, log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Navigate through your drive and select the sheet where you want to apply this setting. Once your document is open, the next step is to select the range of cells you wish to print. Click and drag your cursor over the cells you want to include in your print area. This initial selection is crucial as it defines the area you'll be working with. With the cells selected, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Print. This option might also appear as Ctrl+P depending on your device or browser's settings. You'll find yourself in a print preview screen where you can adjust various settings. In the Print Settings sidebar on the right, locate the option labeled as Print Custom Range. Look for the Data section and make sure Custom is selected. Here you can manually input the range of cells if you didn't initially select them, or to modify your selection. This ensures that only the intended data range will be printed each time, regardless of how your sheet's content might change in other areas. After setting your range, adjust the page layout settings to fit your needs. This includes choosing between landscape or portrait orientation, setting the paper size and margins if necessary. Keeping your document's content within set page boundaries often helps maintain the professional look of your printed sheets. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, it's time to confirm your print area. Click on the Next button, which will bring up a confirmation dialog for your printer settings. Ensure your printer is selected correctly and that all preview settings are exactly how you want them. Finally, click Print to save and set this area as your print default. Remember, the print area you've configured remains saved for this document and can be adjusted as needed. This permanent setting saves time as it ensures consistency in all your future print jobs from this sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully set a permanent print area in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial enhances your productivity and streamlines your workflow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.